All right, in last week's video, we talked about the first step in buying a house, and that was to get a pre-approval letter from a lender. Today's video is going to dive a little deeper into the types of loans, just to give you some education. As a buyer, obviously, you're going to want the type of loan that financially makes sense for you, that you can afford. But also as a buyer, and then from the seller's point of view, you're going to want a loan that presents the strongest offer so that you can win and get that property. So my name's Brian Ellermans. I'm with Century 21 Kaima Properties. I'm a realtor there. We operate out of Central Illinois, and the four types of financing, basically, other than a cash offer that's not financing, is a conventional loan, an RD loan or rural development loan, something that's called USDA loan. Those are all one and the same. There's a FHA loan, and then there is a VA loan. So let's talk about conventional loan. That's the strongest type of loan. It stays local with the bank, and usually you're paying about probably 20% down. You know, I've seen, let's say 5 to 20% down. It's conventional is all the rules are up to the bank pretty much, and so they can twist the rules a little bit for you. If there's something wrong with the house that's found during an inspection or an appraisal even, the bank's not going to require you to fix certain things. There's not as many rules. As long as the bank thinks the value's in the property from the appraisal, they're going to loan you the money for it. And it helps because they know they're only loaning you 80% of the money of what the value of the home is. So they know they'd be able to get their money back if you default on your payments. All right, so let's talk about the government-backed loans, which are FHA, VA, and RD. So an FHA loan typically requires 3.5% down and takes a little longer to process. You have to get an FHA appraisal, which is a little bit different. They're going to look for things, it's very similar to the RD loan, and they're going to look for things like hand railings on stairs, GFCI outlets in the kitchen, gutters on the home. There's some different things that they're going to look for, and sometimes the home's not going to qualify after that appraisal inspection, and the deal could fall through. And that's the RD and the FHA. Like I said, very similar. I believe the RD loan sometimes is 0% down. It just depends on the bank. A VA loan, again, that's the same, about 3.5%, maybe sometimes 0% down. That's going through if you've had a military background, and it's very similar to the other loans. And I believe these are even harder to get to appraise. I've had a few of these fall through where they didn't appraise at the value, and I think that's because you have a slim pickings of appraisers, and they could be coming from out of the area. They might not understand your market. So that said, from a seller standpoint, if you get several offers, you're always going to want to obviously take a cash offer first, but second, a conventional loan, and that's the strongest offer. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and look forward to the next video.